Now this is the extension to your living room, and the total area of this is the kitchen, which is of approximately 10.5 master bedroom of the house. Hello and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Pride World City and we're going to check out their cluster, which is called Montreal, which is going to be located in a total land parcel of 8 acres, and it is going to have total 10 towers, which will have 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs and penthouses. We're going to go and check out their sample plat, but before that, do you have any idea what is the speciality of Housey? Housey is India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guarantee. Well, unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आपको आते हैं unlimited unwanted calls, at Housey listing करते हैं developers, जिस वजह से आपको मिलते हैं सारे के सारे benefits passed on directly from the developer to you. Well, let's proceed with checking out the sample plat of this property. So this is the 1357 square feet duplex. Let's go and check it out. And once we enter the house, of course, your security has been taken care of by video door phones. And along with that, there is a digital door lock as well that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a numeric lock, and also a physical key. Let's enter the house. As you can see, because it is a duplex, the height has been doubled, and here right at the entrance they have provided a space for a dining table, but this can be utilized as a study room or as a living room as well. Now this is the extension to your living room, and the total area of this whole space is of approximately 13.5 by 22 square feet. Let's go and take a look at the beautiful standout balcony that is right over here. Now one thing about the balcony is that if you notice, even the wall on the top has been provided in a glass so that the room stays well lit through the day, and in the evenings you can enjoy the beautiful night light. And now I'm going to walk right into the balcony. Let's go and see how it is. The door comes with a mosquito mesh as well. And here we are in the balcony. Now the balcony comes with a wooden finished ceramic flooring, and again it has a double height with a ceiling. So enhanced security, privacy, and yet enhanced beauty. Now this glass railing is also a toughened one, and it comes at a pretty good height as well. Let's now proceed into the rest of the house. Now, while I'm walking back into the house, you can notice that despite the balcony being a big one, they have still provided a step over here so that it prevents water and other dust to come inside. Now, I'm going to take you into the rest of the house. Here we are walking right into the kitchen. The kitchen over here has been kept an open kitchen concept again, so that you can have a mini dining table over here as well. And this is the kitchen, which is of approximately 10.5 by 12 square feet. It comes with 2 opposite placed granite slabs which are straight fitted, and also a very beautiful dry balcony. Now the reason I'm calling it beautiful is because many balconies, dry balconies, do not come with a toughened glass railing, and that's what there is right over here. Once we walk outside the kitchen again, if you notice that this space could have been a dead space because it is right under the stairs, but rather than that, they've given a door over here so that this can be utilized as a storage room. The whole space is dedicated for your storage room. You can have your dishwashers here, you can have your washing machines here, so that your kitchen stays clutter-free. Now, here is your common toilet and bath right opposite the kitchen, and right next to it over here is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom size is also pretty big, 14.5 by 10.5. And these kind of sizes, when you get in a duplex, it is indeed a blessing. And one more very beautiful thing over here is this open wall. I don't want to call it a standing balcony because it is literally an open wall right from edge to edge. It is an open window, which is a completely sliding window. None of it is a fixture, and that's the reason they have provided this wooden and iron railing so that it gives the feel of a standing balcony. It is all open and yet it is covered. Now I'm going to take you into the rest of the house. And this is the attached toilet and bath to it, which is of again 4.5 by 8 square feet. As I mentioned earlier, this one's a duplex, play, and that's the reason the rest of the bedrooms are on the top floor. Let's go and see it. Now here the bedrooms are placed, and let's take a look at the kids' bedroom first. Again, this bedroom comes with the same standing balcony that we saw in the guest bedroom. Half of it over here comes protected by a wooden railing, and the whole window is a sliding window, and it also comes with a mosquito net. Now, I am actually in love with this place, but before we go ahead and I tell you more great things about this particular property, let me tell you a couple of very good things about Housey as well. This is the only place where you can see sample flat videos, actual project location tours, actual overviews of the whole property, and also get to know the actual all-inclusive pricing of each and every property. Well, if you need to know any more details or even the pricing, all you need to do is just simply click on the link that's mentioned below right over here. And with that, you can get to know all the details. You will get a dedicated relationship manager who will take you on your property site visits, and all of this brokerage free. Well, isn't that absolutely amazing? It is. But for that, you need to very quickly register yourself on Housey by clicking on the link below, and also follow me into the rest of the house. Let's go and check out the master bedroom. Now here they have given another common toilet and wash, so that bedroom, the bedroom that we just saw, does not have an attached one. Here there is the second common toilet and bath, which is followed by your grand master bedroom of the house. That's right, this one it is. Before I show you all the specialities of this, quickly let's go and check the attached toilet and bath to the master bedroom, which is a 4.6 by 8 square feet. And now, after seeing the standing balconies of all the bedrooms, let's take a look at the real balcony of this bedroom. Now, this is a very cozy, cute little sit-out which is covered from 3 sides. It comes with a half partition over here as well. And this is your screen to nature right over here from your own bedroom. And again, this one comes with a little step over here so that there is no rainwater or other dirt that comes into the house. Well, I am absolutely in love with this property, but for you to come and check it out, really, you will have to very quickly book your project site visit with Housey today. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Pride World City, Montreal, located in Dhanori, Pune by Pride Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.